The question on everyone's mind, can Avax do a 10x from here? First, we need to understand where Avax is now, what it needs to do next. We're going to go through the history of Avax to find out where it's been before, and then we can predict, using our special indicator, using our Fibonacci extensions, where Avax is likely to go. Can it do a 10x? I think so, and this is the reason why. This chart, guys, it's a technical analyst's dream. This Avax chart is playing ball. Every single thing that we expected to happen on Avax has played out on this chart. So I want you to look and I want you to see if you can see any similarities between anything on this chart. Remember, you've got bull markets, you've got bear markets. In between bull markets and bear markets, people don't talk about the ranges. The ranges are where people are building for the next bull market. We need to be one of those people that are building for that next bull market. See, we hit a lower high and then we were rejected. This is going back to November 2021, the highs of the bull market. We were rejected, we put in a lower high, and then what happened? An absolute crash down here. Avax lost 84% of its value pretty much within a couple of weeks. So then we turned into this range. This is the range that I was telling you about. You've got the bull market, you've got the bear market, and you've got the preparation phase. The preparation phase is the long phase, it's the boring phase. But once you get a break to the favored side, i.e. the bull side, then you get a significant move to the upside. That was caused by this lack of build up of price action here. Because there was no resistance or support built in during this area, we expected a 3x from here. We were talking about that on the channel. That's exactly what we got. We got a 3x. Where was resistance? This was the previous resistance. Why was that resistance? Because that was the previous bull market support level. What do I mean by that? It's this here. This is the previous bull market support level. What happened? This acted as support until it fell through. So you've got support once, support twice, 3, 4 times, then you fell through. You expect that to act as resistance. And what happened here, guys? Resistance. It's a simple science, this. It's simple science, right? What does Avax need to do next? We need a break. We've been saying this, we need a break. I said, prepare yourself for $20. We got down to $21.96. So what we're looking for in the short term is this break. We can go into the daily and you can see we've put in lower highs, lower lows, lower lows. We're in a pullback, we're in a downtrend. We're expecting or we're waiting for a break of this trend. That break in trend is going to show us that the bulls have got momentum and we can more importantly protect ourselves. Once we've got that, bulls have got momentum, you put in a higher low, then you can protect yourself underneath the low. If you really want to protect yourself and apply the appropriate risk management, you're going to keep trailing your stopper and keep trailing your stopper. So that's what we're looking for from an entry perspective. Wait for the break, protect yourself. Okay, so how far can it go during the bull market? Can it do a 10x from here? That's what you're all asking. What I'm going to do is zoom out onto the monthly chart, onto the monthly, and we're going to stick a Fibonacci level from its high to its low. So we'll do that now. From its high to its low. Just make sure that is the low. Go back into the weekly. Got to make sure that the Fibonacci numbers stick. Right, here we go. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're looking for extension levels. We're looking for the 1272 and the 1618. So get your Fibonacci up and we're adding in the 1272 and the 1618. We know once we're in a bull market, the 1618 is your main sticking point. Some go at 2618, some go at 3618, but we're conservative, 1618 and the 1272. So I'm going to build these levels in now. 1272, that's sitting up here, $185. Then you've got $234.39 for the 1618. You've got to ask yourself, is Avax being built? Is the network being used? Are people building on Avax? People are building on Avax. Right, okay, so how far is the 1618 from where price action is currently sitting? Just get rid of this. Get rid of those. Stick our fib back on. How far is the 1618 from where price is sitting now? Just go from here up to here. 847.32%. So it's not a 10x, it's an 8.5x. Are you happy with an 8.5x? What did you think of the video, guys? Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next one.